flying to Oman right now. Alright, so we're finally here. This place is amazing. Well, it's 2,000 meters above the sea level. Alright, so let me take you around. Alright, so this is kind of my room. And it's very neat. Got some Audi goodies here. And I got the dressing room over here. And bathtub. Toilet, the bathroom. Yeah, someone's gonna have some fun. Got a sitting area outside. Hooah. Let me show it to you from the outside. All right, I changed my mind. I'm gonna have a snack and then I'm going to show it to you from the outside. So all the rooms are grouped in clusters. And this is my cluster. My room is there on the right. And that's the hotel. Overall, beautiful. So I have to say I had a wonderful time. Really, this place is amazing. But there's no time to waste because now they're going to unveil the car at the event and I need to get a shower. How cool is that? I just woke up and you could tell that from my voice, right? I didn't even have the time to sign off yesterday. Good morning, everyone. Rise and shine, Mo. I got a pack to actually check out. But before I do so, I need some coffee. We got our machine. And here goes my alarm, by the way. I need to go and silence it. I know it is. Seriously, it's cold in here. It's not like 40 degrees back home or back down. It's, like I said, 2,000 meters above the ground. And the weather is beautiful. I'm being quiet because, you know, people might still be sleeping around the neighbors. So I just don't want to wake up anyone. I want to get shouted at. And I'm enjoying this weather and the scenery. Look. So I'm so excited. But yes, it is cold in here. I'll see you in a bit. It's a beautiful place, isn't it? It's breakfast time. Good morning. So the guys have been scaring me about all these, you know, genies and black magic, and I couldn't sleep last night. And apparently, because they told me all these stories, they believed it and they couldn't sleep either.
It was so dark last night.
Yeah.
From here until there.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
No, that was fine because I dropped you here.
Yeah.
I had to walk all the way alone.
Get it.
Here's Here's the guy.
I didn't sleep.
You didn't sleep, right?
No, I slept.
Yeah. So we're having breakfast right now and getting ready. You checked out already, huh? Damn it. Need to check out.
Check out, ready.
Ready?
Wearing the right dress.
Quattro.
Yeah.
Outfit. Zainal.
It's a very, very quick thing from it overheating.
Excited, Karim?
No, yeah,
This is Karim from Bahrain.
Hi guys, no, it looks good. The car is good.
Yeah.
And positioning is good. I like the design, so it will be interesting.
It's
see
going
how
to
it
be
goes.
very interesting. All right, a quick look. We've got the climate control monitor. That's one. We got another monitor there with all the features, car select and navigation and the radio. And we've got the virtual cockpit, which is now standard in all Audis, I guess. Very spacious at the back as well. And we're doing the off-road test.
It's good.
Enjoy. Let me see. Yeah, it is on. It is on. Hey, we're here. We've arrived. We're live. Made it. Gonna get some food, aren't we? Yes. You're posing. You're posing. It's a video. Alright, so we had a break, we had lunch and desserts, and now we're back on the road. We're gonna continue this experience. Stay with us. Alright, so that's it. We've reached our destination. We're heading back to the airport, but look at this. This beautiful castle. It's Portuguese, I think. But yeah, that's it. We're wrapping it up. All the cars are here. This was an amazing experience. Thank you, Audi Middle East. Thank you, Audi Bahrain, for this amazing experience. And I look forward for more. I wish I had the time to photograph the cars, but as you can see, they're dusty. Dusty cars, dusty cars, dusty cars. Dusty cars. Alright, well, I'll see you in the next video.